How to fix Showtime app error after logging in. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is check your Paramount Plus transition, right? So of course you should know that the standalone Showtime has merged into the Paramount Plus, so you can use the Paramount Plus application or the website with the Showtime add-on where applicable, right? So after doing that, if that did not help, then you can try to clear all of the app data or clear all of the cookies and cache of your browser. So you can actually get into the device settings, and on your settings you can scroll all the way down until you see general. Tap on that one, tap on iPhone storage. Then from here you can keep on scrolling until you find Paramount Plus. Tap on it, then you can tap on offload app, tap on reinstall in order to reinstall it back on your phone. You'll be able to clear all of the cache. So after doing that, if that did not help, then try to verify your credentials. You can try to reset your password via your email to ensure that your account security codes are lifted. And after doing all of that, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to fix your Showtime app error after logging.